Have you ever tried to transcribe audio only to find that something crucial is missing? It can be really frustrating, right? If you're dealing with IBM Bluemix and speaker tags not showing up, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to solve this issue together. I totally understand how annoying it is when you're expecting detailed results from a transcription service, only to find that key information is missing. You're not alone in this. Many users face similar challenges with speaker recognition. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked, "Why is my IBM Bluemix transcription not returning speaker tags?" They shared their setup and code, but the speaker labels just aren't showing up. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be causing this issue? It often comes down to configuration settings or the specific audio format being used. We'll break it down step by step to help you understand what's going wrong. And stick around. I have a valuable tip at the end that could enhance your transcription results significantly. To ensure the speaker tags are included in the returned JSON, the user should first verify that the speaker labels option is correctly set in the Recognize options. This is crucial for enabling speaker recognition. Next, the user should check the audio quality and format. The audio input must be clear and in the correct format for the speaker recognition to work effectively. Additionally, the user should confirm that the audio being recorded contains distinct voices. If the audio has overlapping speech, it may affect the ability to identify speakers accurately. Finally, if the user has verified all settings and the issue persists, they should consider checking the IBM Bluemix documentation for any updates or changes regarding speaker recognition features. Fun fact, did you know that the first speech recognition systems were developed in the 1950s? They could only recognize digits. We've come a long way since then, but sometimes technology still has its quirks. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests ensuring you are using the Java SDK version 4.2.1. They recommend adding the correct dependency in your build.gradle file to enable speaker labels. They also shared a code snippet that demonstrates how to recognize audio from a WAV file using WebSockets, interim results, and speaker labels. This includes loading the audio file from the Assets folder. Finally, they provided a method to load the audio input stream from the asset file, which is essential for the recognition process. Here's that valuable tip I promised. Always test your audio quality before sending it for transcription. Good audio leads to better results, especially with speaker recognition. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot the missing speaker tags in your IBM Bluemix transcription. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips, and don't forget to check out our next video for advanced transcription techniques.